There's a
Hey,
woodpecker.
Keith, am I wrong? They think I'm joking.
There's a snipe on it. There's a snipe.
Cockaded woodpecker.
Thank
Now
you.
they crossed
Thank
a
you,
red
Keith.
runner and a woodpecker, and it was a woodpecker.
There ain't no snipe. On my ball.
Not around here. Not that big.
I got a big one taking on my ball.
Oh, that big? Nah. Yo, this is 1,200.
And me. No.
Yo, Keith. Hey, Keith. I was at 1,200 acres of woods in Kingston. And Keith, I swear, it was about that big. About yo big. And that big orange beak was like, okay.
Wait a minute.
Hey, Donnie, Donnie.
Yeah, I could have fished that thing in a line broke.
Donnie, where I come from, that's a fucking toucan.
No. Oh, what? Hey, keep those. Keep those. Keep those.
Toucans.
No, there ain't no toucan. No, hear me out. The toucan got a beak like this. He's had a straight beak.
So Donnie, wait.
I'm a bird man. I know.
Do that again, Daddy. I want to see you. And what is that called?
Woodpecker. The toucan got the beak like this. This had a straight
And
beak.
he's on the box of fruit.
Yeah, but he had a long beak like that. This had a straight beak.
Yeah. And what does he say? He doesn't say.
So a squirrel jumped out. He just ate the squirrel.
No,
He just
no.
ate the squirrel.
Listen to me,
And so why is the
man.
Squirrel
woodpecker
jumped out
doing
and he
that?
ate the squirrel while he was chopping around.
They sharpen their beak and they like hitting the hollow trees.
He ate a mouse, a
This
squirrel,
is-
and another. He ate a robin while he
Nah, they
was
sharpens their beak and they hit hollow trees. And they like the noise and it brings more over.
You're not gonna find no daggone one that tall.
Yeah, but they got straight beaks like Woody Woodpecker.
Judith said she found one. Oh shit, Donnie, you're funny.
That sucker ate a rabbit if it wasn't
There
jumped
is
out.
seriously.
Now I'm telling you, this thing was big, man. This thing was big. And I was looking at it, and I dropped the gun down, and I tried to get the camera going and shit, and then the wind blew, and the branch fell down, and he took off. Because you heard all the leaves fall. Yay! I'm telling you, he was big, man. And he was bigger than that wood.
I totally believe you. You're talking about this side.
Yeah.
There's one around here.
I haven't ever seen it.
I never seen one around here.
Why not?
Never.
Make sure there's only one, though.
Thank you, baby.
That deserves a beer after that story.
No, what's it?
It's God's honest truth, man. I'm not a liar.
Wow.
I'm not a liar, man.
Thank you.